bago ka bumili ng vertical mouse talaga or any ergonomic mouse, you need to test it first sa mga shop and see if that fits your hand, because there's no such thing as, for ergonomics, there's no such thing as one size fits all. Hey guys, John here, and you're watching Code Kwento. And today, we are here at Code Co-working Space. If you watched the last video, this is the space that we opened recently for the public. So I do hope that you could visit us if you are along the area. But anyways, this video is about another vertical mouse. So we reviewed vertical mouse in the last video. You can check it here in the description, or I'll put the link in the description. Today we will be reviewing a little brother to that mouse, which is also a product of Delux, the Delux M618DB. Now, the main difference for this is still a vertical mouse, but without the frills. I mean, kung gusto mo if you want to go with trying out a vertical mouse, but medyo gipit tayo sa budget, this is a more budget-friendly version. So it comes with typical white box, and yeah. Actually, it's a little bit underwhelming. Once you open the box, you will immediately be greeted by the USB-C cable, and then the mouse itself, and then the manual. So yeah, that's that. So let's go ahead and remove the plastic in this mouse. So here we go. Let's take a look deeper or closer to this mouse. Actually, as I mentioned, it is a cheap mouse. So to make things budget-friendly, yung build niya is medyo plasticky. So you can see plastic chassis here. In the top, you can see this light strip. Mukha siyang RGB, pero hindi siya RGB. So you cannot customize the lights. For this one, I'm not sure if you can even turn this off, but we have a large Delux logo there. And then your typical mouse button, the scroll wheel, the right and left, the DPI for changing how fast the mouse is. And I think this could go with 4-step. The lowest with DPI is 800 and the highest DPI is 4,000. So 4, 8, 16, 24, and 4,000. So we have here the forward and backward button. And then for connectivity, you can only connect this by 2.4G, which is dito yung placement ng dongle niya. And then we also have Bluetooth 1 and Bluetooth 2. Both compatible with Bluetooth 4.0 and Bluetooth 5.0. So, yeah, it's a little bit underwhelming. Wala siyang kasamang palm rest. But as you can see, okay lang naman. It's a little bit smaller than what I previously reviewed. So, this I think can be for those that has quite a small hand, katulad nung kamay ko. They also have a version of this na mas maliit pa. I think it's called the Mini, 618 Mini. But for this one, this I guess would cover most of the users out there. So again, you need to find, or bago ka bumili ng vertical mouse talaga or any ergonomic mouse, you need to test it first sa mga shop and see if that fits your hand, because there's no such thing as, for ergonomics, there's no such thing as one size fits all. So the size of the mouse will relatively be helpful to the size of your hand. So again, Nothing too fancy on this mouse, or just typical vertical mouse with a typical vertical grip. Again, for comparison, here's our friendly Logitech mouse here. It's almost of the same width, pero syempre, vertically, mas mataas si vertical mouse. So, yeah. Vertical mouse is way bigger. So, I forgot to mention, guys, that this is also the rechargeable version. It has a 500 milliampere battery included or built in with this device. So you just need to charge it through USB-C. Meron siyang much cheaper version, which is yung nilalagyan ng battery, AA battery sa ilalim. Yeah, this is just a quick unboxing and initial impressions for this ergonomic mouse. Thanks guys for watching, and if you like this video, click the thumbs up button, click the bell notification button so you could be notified on other future videos. And yeah, if you're around Binangonan, you can go here at Code Co-working Space to test this out. You guys could decide if this is the mouse, ergonomic mouse for you. So then again, until the next video, cheers and God bless.